Y'all don't judge me, but my makeup vanity is upside down. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. My name is Candace and this is Everything Beauty with Candace B. So today's video is just gonna be a chill clean with me because my makeup vanity is out of control. It's time to reorganize all of my stuff, wash my brushes, and just clean up and sanitize my makeup vanity. Also my little perfume area up there as well. We're gonna get that all cleaned up. If y'all need to clean up an area, get on up, girl, and clean up with me. So let's get into it right now. Okay, so I'm truly about to expose myself, but this is what my vanity is looking like. This is just terrible, y'all. It is embarrassing. I don't know how I let it get this messy. I even got stuff from my trip down here that I haven't unpacked yet, and I just need to get this cleaned up. Let me get into these drawers. Look at that makeup all on the drawers. This is messy. Just terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Got that going. This is decent. This is my foundation drawer. It's decent, but it needs to be cleaned up. And then I have all of my eyeshadow palettes. It's kind of okay. And then here's all of like my sprays, creams, toners. I don't know, all of that stuff is in here. It's somewhat organized, so we're gonna go through that. We also gonna put all of my little perfumes back on the shelf back there and get rid of all of this stuff too. So the first thing I'm about to do is just take everything off of the vanity. I'm gonna put it on my bed. I'm gonna lay some towels down. So that way that gives me a chance to just clean off the tabletop and sanitize everything, clean the mirrors. And then I'll start to organize everything and then start cleaning my brushes too, because they have not been cleaned in a while. And I'm pretty sure that's why I have these two little friends right here on my face, is because I've been using dirty brushes, which is terrible. So we're about to fix it today.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh,
So now next steps is to sort through this mess, put it all back into my drawers in an organized fashion, and then we'll move on to washing my makeup brushes.
jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
Alright y'all, so let me show y'all the progress. So this is what the vanity is looking like. It's all cleaned off and I got a new towel down. These still need to be cleaned. Everything is put up in its drawers. I have this drawer somewhat organized. This is my everyday makeup drawer, so I try to keep the stuff that I reach for the most in this drawer right here. Then down here is the beginning of my next empties video. So all of this stuff is emptied. I just need to find a place for it to go until I'm ready to film. And here is my newly organized top of my dresser drawer. I did this off camera and just organized all of my perfumes onto this shelf. I hate this shelf, y'all. I need the ones that go back onto the wall, so the clear acrylic shelves, because every time I close my drawer, these kind of shift a little bit, and if I shift it too many times, then they'll just all come crashing down. So I have to be really gentle when I'm opening and closing the drawers in my Chester. I have all of my little mini Kayali's and some of my body creams here. This is my This is my jar where I keep all of my beauty blenders. The rest of them are in the hamper. And this is just a shelf where I keep all of my mini perfumes and travel perfumes. I think I have a watch in here and then some body care stuff. And then that is a picture of my mommy and my daddy on their wedding day. So I like keeping them right there. I like that picture. I like looking at them every day. And that's pretty much it. So now we got all of this done. It's time to go downstairs and wash all these brushes. I don't feel like doing it at all, like not at all, but we're gonna go and do it because that is the last part of organizing my makeup vanity. So let's go downstairs and get to cleaning. Brushes are nice and clean and washed. I'm going to let these dry overnight and then put them back on the vanity. All right, since now all of my cleaning is done, I'm gonna put a picture of my finished result up here so you guys can see what my vanity looks like now that it's all clean and everything is back to being organized. But I really hope you guys enjoyed cleaning with me. If y'all did, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is the kind of content I bring you every single week on my channel. Hit those notification bells so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.